You will increase your self-confidence over the time after experience. After you will approach one girl, will talk to her, will get her number, phone number, you will definitely increase your self-confidence because that experience will say to you that you are successful. For example, you will approach two girls and they will start to compete because of you. And one girl will really like you. We remember one of our client. We went to a nightclub with him and he never, he was a virgin. Zero success with girls. And one girl at that club looked to him. And when we came back to our apartment and he started, to pump this air mattress where he will sleep, on a training. And he said like, oh my God, that girl so looked to me, she liked me. Those kind of experiences will reinforce your confidence. Like you need others, people, reactions to you. And then, if those reactions are good, it equals success. Come on guys, let's try. We just fucked girl, so amazing times, man. You cannot imagine. You just her ass are so round and big. Oh my God, she looked so sexy. Oh my God, man! Fuck Sharon! When we did, that USA project, same day bang version 1 in US, our business client said like, this city has name Charlotte, there are females with the name Charlotte, and it came from England, female, and let's say fuck Charlotte, and during that, training, we fucked 8 different girls, and we were like celebrating by saying fuck Charlotte. So let's say fuck Charlotte. So, if you want to increase your self-confidence, you need to start to use your body. That's what we are saying, that you need carefully watch our program, night game program, How to Dance with a Woman. Link is below, because if you want to seduce women really fast, you need to learn everything from our DVD night game program, How to Dance with a Woman. Everything, step by step. You will start to use your body in a way to seduce them. Everything, eye contact, the way your hand moves, the way your body moves, the way you look to them. And then, both you will turn them on and will be awesome. So for your success, let's drink for your success. Oh my God. Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com, where we teach guys from approach to getting physical with girls in forms of boot camps, seminars, live webinars, Go to Alphamantraining.com, click, webinars, and watch all those webinars from approach to sex in the gym. So amazing thing. When we seduced that girl, later on she became our girlfriend. Her ass total 10. Watch. This is incredible DVD. Oh my God, man. Awesome life, man. Awesome. Say that your life is awesome. Say that you will do everything what you can to improve your life. Say that. Say. Will be no female which you could not seduce. You will be able to seduce any female you want. And let's drink for that. Save your time. You're getting older and older. Wrinkles starting to show in your face. Your hair starting becoming gray. You're losing your hair. You're losing every time to approach a girl you want, a female you want, a woman you want to seduce her, to make her your wife, make a family. You need to invest into our book, How to Become an Alpha Man, and transform your mindset from beta to alpha man. Become the alpha man. You need to become that one man who is able to seduce any woman he wants, any woman he chooses. Just imagine the ability you will have to seduce any woman you want. So amazing thing.
Su žaidimų atlikėjų, tai Rakson, tikras atradimas kilęs iš Dubajaus. Su kiekvienu EP jis parodo kažką naujo ir įdomaus. Kas kartą apsidžiaugiu pamatęs jo release.
We have amazing DVD program, same day bang version 1 for men who would like to learn how to manipulate women in the right way and make them to make decision to fuck you on the same day. Incredible product, trains very strong systems, how to manipulate women in the right way and fuck them on the same day. Go and read about that product, same day bang version 1 and version 2, links are below. If you will not watch those products, other men will watch those products and will fuck girls, and you will live a loser who didn't, achieve anything in life, and just, a total loser. You wanna be a loser? No, of course not. You want success with girls, women. You want options, and you need to explode your options. And let's drink for exploding options on choosing women. Products are awesome.
Keep left at the fork. In 3 kilometers.
Links are
Take the
below.
exit on the
Don't
right.
waste your time. Add to cart now. Pay with your debit or credit card. Later on, you will thank the AMT that we saved your time. Awesome life. Second, awesome life. Just imagine what the level of self-confidence you will have once you will fuck a beautiful total 10 blonde. Once you will see our Infield from approach to sex like same day lay with total 10 blonde in USA, it's in same day bang version 1 product, you will be shocked. Like clients when they watching that DVD with a blonde, once they see sex scenes, they like, oh my god, it's unbelievable. It's a real life, real seduction, MT shows real life, real seduction, and the way things happens.
In 600 meters, take the exit on the right.
You know, when you see a female who is, overweight, you don't want her to fuck here. Same, with women. If they don't see alpha man behavior in you and the way you dress, the way you act, the way you talk to them, they don't want to fuck you. So it's the same thing, There are systems, how to turn them on, and you can learn them. Links are below. Start from 0, go till 10. All system, all steps. It's awesome, man, thing. You need to do that. You need to do that. You need to invest.
Exit the roundabout.
School us.
In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Awesome, man. Awesome life. Say that you will read a book carefully. Say that you will watch all AMT DVDs. You will learn everything. Say that I will learn everything from AMT products, and I will take AMT bootcamp. Save that, and add to cart and pay. See you.
Turn left.